In this video, we want to find the derivative of y natural log x squared equals x squared times natural log y with respect to x. So this is going to be using a lot of product rules and chain rules. So let's start off on the left side. We have y times the natural log of x squared. We'll use a product rule. So we take the derivative of y, which is dy over dx, times the natural log, plus y, and then you want to take the derivative of natural log of x squared, which natural log of x squared is the same thing as 2 times natural log x. And then when you take the derivative of that, that's just 2 over x. And so the left side's done, and then we take the derivative of the right side, which again you have to use product rule. The derivative of x squared is 2x, and then we multiply that by natural log y. And then the derivative of natural log y is just 1 over y times dy over dx. So together we get 2x natural log y plus x squared over y times dy over dx. Now we have a dy dx in each side, so we want to bring both of those to the left and then get rid of the rest to the right. So we'll subtract by x squared over y dy over dx and then 2y over x. Now on the left side, we can factor out a dy over dx and have natural log of x squared minus x squared over y. That's going to equal 2x natural log y minus 2y over x. I can divide then by natural log of x squared minus x squared over y to both sides, and we'll have that complicated fraction. And then if you want to eliminate the denominators of x and y, you can multiply the top and bottom by x and y to get 2x squared y natural log y minus 2y squared over xy natural log of x squared minus x cubed as our final answer.